Lighting sure has come a long way, hasn't it, when we're dealing with the outdoors? Do you remember those heavy mag lights we used to use? I used to have like 3 or 4 of them. The little tiny ones, the big ones, the big ones. Yeah, gone are the days when those were around. They're still around, of course, but maybe we don't use them as often because there are so many other different options for us out there. Of course, then came the amazing headlights, the little thing with the band. Well, we still have those around, and there are so many options now that we have with those sorts of systems. So stick around because I got a new one for you by Claymore. Hello and welcome everybody. Please hit the subscribe button, the bell to get your weekly notifications from Korea Overlander. That's me. And I'm glad to have you along today for an unboxing. That's right, one of many that we have. A new product that we have for you. Not new, but it's new for us. I do want to say at the beginning of this video that this was purchased by me. In no way, shape, or form did the company reach out for me. However, I would be glad if they did, because then we could have something else to talk about. And of course, a sponsor. How awesome would that be? So I want to get into literally unboxing. I have not yet unboxed this. I've got my knife right here to make quick work of the tape for us and for you to see what's inside, because I haven't seen what's inside either. I've seen the picture, of course, on the outside. There it is. But let's do that again. There we go. Hey, you're not. There we go. So that's it right there. This is the Claymore Heady 3, or Heady Plus, I should say, the Heady Plus. Now there are several different variations of this particular piece of equipment, and in at least what I could see, the two main areas were the amount of lumens, or the luminescence, that the lights offer. They go down, start at I think 300. This is 600, and I think there's also an 800 version. And also the battery life. This one is a 3500 milliampere battery. And the first one, the kind of the entry level, I believe, is a 2500 milliampere battery. So that's going to change the amount or the length of light that you have in a particular situation. Now, there are so many cool things to feature on this. Hold that up right there. Look at all that. So we have 6 different light modes. We have different brightness settings. We have run times. And we also have the distances that are provided for those particular settings. Battery performance looks incredible, at least on the box. I have not done this yet, but I love the fact that it is rechargeable, and with one charge of the battery, it will save you 10.5, that's right, 10.5 AAA batteries. So just by doing something like this, where you are just needing to plug it in and recharge, saves so many batteries going into landfill or dispose, or kind of a toxic recycling. So keep the stuff out of landfill, use a rechargeable. This is a USB-C charger, which means it will be faster, so you can charge up quite quickly with that. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing here with my trusty $5 knife. So here we go. I'm going to, there we go. That's one. Get the other side here. There we go. That one's done. And let's pop this top. There we go. Okay, so inside here, it looks like we have everything connected. Everything is in our little bag. So the light and everything is in there, which is great. We also have, let's see, okay, our instruction booklet is inside the box as well. Now, this is in Korean. However, there is an English side right here for you as well. So on the one side, it is Korean, and on the other side is English, which is great for all of us here on the peninsula. So there we go. And we also have this. Oh, there's a QR code. Okay, there's a QR code there. And I don't know what that does, but I'll let you know in the comments below when I actually do this. So there we go. Yeah, I will let you know what that QR code is for. Hit the comments below and make sure that you see that. I will put that in there. Okay, nice little bag. Woo! Of course I dropped it. There we go. Do I edit that out? Yeah, probably not. Let me put my earpieces back in. There we go. All right. So it comes in a nice little cloth bag here with Claymore on the outside. And as we are opening this up, we see a lovely, nice band. Okay, this is our band. Feels pretty hefty. It's not heavy, but it certainly seems strong. Anyway, we also have, here is the light, and that is in a plastic bag. So that's in there. We also have a charger, USB 3 charger, which is very good. And we also have, the last thing is we have this little clip here. I think this is if you are wearing a baseball cap, you can actually put this right here and attach it to your baseball cap. So instead of having the band, you have the clip. So let's get into this. Now, I don't know if this is going to be charged, given that this is its first time open. Ooh. So there it is right there. Now, this is pretty big. Like as a headlight goes, this is pretty large. And you also have this right here. Now, this is one of the reasons why I bought this one as opposed to one of the earlier models, because this here has a little hook on it that allows you to hook it up, let's say in your truck or in a tent, and you can use this as your night light essentially, or if you are cooking over a stove and you're in an enclosed area, you can hang this up with this little hook, and it allows you to be even more hands-free than what we would normally have. Now, on this side here, you might not be able to see that. Come on, phone. This side here is the power, And this side here is your different brightness settings. So I'm going to see if this actually, I'm going to put it away from the camera so it doesn't blind you. Oh, it's got power. There we go. Okay, very nice. Ooh, okay. So I'm going to do this here. Whoops. So I want to get the right one here. So I'm just going to put it away from the camera a little bit because I don't want to blind you, but these are really bright. And there's a yellow one. So yeah, so there's, they're pretty bright. And I apologize for blinding you because I had those right in the camera. Now, another nice thing about this is it has this feature, which I really, really like. Now, this is just a small little handheld tripod, but now I can have it set up like this. And again, just go hands-free. Or if I want to put this on a table, kind of over, you know, if I'm making dinner or something, I can have this on one side and it will illuminate the rest of the table. So that's also a nice little added feature to this little particular piece. Now, it does come with the charger, and here is the USB charger right down here. And it is, let's see, it is an easy fit. Oh, yes, of course. A very easy fit right there for you. So nicely, no problems there. Now, in terms of the clip, this goes... And I dropped it again. Dropping everything today, aren't I? Let's see. This will go here. This will go right here. Nope, that's not right. It feels like it should go right in there. Maybe I should look at the instructions. Let's do that, shall we? Let's look at the instructions. Okay, so... Okay, insert headband on the band hook of the product and adjust the length. Okay, so this here is this right here. These are where, this is where your headband is going to go. So it would go into here. Flip that in there, flip that in there. And my kids have just come in and they're going to be loud. So there's the headband right there. There, yeah, there's the headband right there. So that's what it looks like. That's the headband there. Now let's just feel the weight of this. Now I haven't adjusted the... Ooh, that's actually, that just, even just as it is, fits my head really nice. And yeah, I don't feel that really at all. So, I mean, it's nice. It's got a good tightness around my, around here. I could probably stand to loosen it a little bit, but it's not coming off my head. So that's great. That's really, really nice. So that's the headband there. And then the clip, let me take this out and add the clip to it. Boop, boop, boop. Add the clip. Now the clip, it says the clip goes, Ahaha. Okay, so the clip goes in here like this, and it should click into place. There we go. Okay, so now I have it on a clip. Now, this here allows me to wear it on, if I have my backpack, I can actually put this on the strap. So instead of it being on my head, I can put it on the strap here. So if I am walking at night, this again offers another hands-free feature of this light, which is really, really nice. I like that. Now, to pop this off, it simply just slides out and comes right off. So there we go. So this does not go on your hat as I otherwise said. I don't think it does. So I apologize for misleading you on that one. So those are the pieces that we have. It looks a lot heavier than what it is. When I first looked at it, I was like, woo, that's going to be heavy. But actually having that on my head, not so much. And it's likely that the biggest weight of this is going to be the rechargeable battery in the first place. But I think that you can go, depending on the setting, you can actually have this going for up to 70 hours on a single charge on the lowest setting. So if you're just using it kind of within, a couple of meters of yourself and you're not trying to shoot light way off in the distance, you're going to be able to run this for a fairly good time. The other nice thing about having this as a USB is if you have a external battery for your phone, you can use this to charge your light off of the external battery. And if you have a USB port in your car, as a lot of cars do these days, you can charge the battery right from here. And I will do that actually and confirm that my car charges the battery, but I'm pretty sure that will not be an issue. Yeah, so far looking good. I have not yet used it. This is just the unboxing. Stay tuned for the experience video and my pros and cons of the what is this called again? I forget. The Claymore Heady Plus. I will also leave a link to the site, the Claymore site down below, and I will leave a link in the description with Naver should you decide to purchase it in the peninsula as opposed to having it overseas. I did buy this at another camping store that I went to go check out last week. There will be a video coming with that store very soon, so stay tuned. This particular model I found in the store for $79. So Chilman Guchanan, and this is the store here. This is in Daegu. I love the little logo on the back there. Now this is in Daegu, and I did check the Naver site, and it does seem that they are a little bit more expensive online, actually, than they are in person. So if you are thinking about getting one, let me know, and I'll see what I can do to help you get that item on your behalf. Okay, thanks very much, everybody. Stay tuned for hopefully some more videos coming up soon. I think I've got 2 car videos, if you can imagine and believe. I have 2 possible car videos coming up on the Overland channel, so stay tuned for those. Thanks very much, my Overlanders. I will see you soon. Take care, and bye-bye. Peace.